In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create 4 right triangles infographic slide in PowerPoint, and this is how the slide works. When I click, you can see here the first right triangle comes. You can put the option number here at this arrow, and you can add the icon, detailed text, and with the title here, and I have added the shadow effect here. When I click with a different color combination, the option 2 will come, 3 and 4. Likewise, I have created one more slide with 3 options only, and I have used Office 2019 version to do this. And if you have not subscribed to my channel PowerPoint University, please subscribe it now and make sure to enable the bell notification icon. You can join my Telegram group with the help of this link, and if you like to contribute to my channel, you can do it through PayPal or Patreon. The link is provided in the video description section. So let's start the tutorial. Add a new slide and change the background to any light color background. Go to Insert, Shapes. From the basic shapes, I'm going to select the right triangle, draw the right triangle. You can see here shape outline, you can give any color, and shape fill I'm going to give as white. Alright, and then go to rotate, and I'm going to say flip horizontal, so I'm just going to place it something like this, and I'm going to add few more shapes. So go to Insert, Shapes. I'm going to select the rectangle, draw the rectangle. You can see here maybe this much size. Right mouse click, go to Format Shape, and I'm going to make it somewhat transparent so we know exactly how much we need. So let me just make it transparent. Shape outline, I'm going to make it no outline. Let me just zoom in a little bit, and I'm going to place something like this. All right, you can see here I've given some gap this side as well as this side, and on top make sure that it is aligned. Then I'm going to add one more right triangle. Select the right triangle. Alright, and shape outline no outline, and rotate. I'm going to make it flip vertical and make sure that it is properly aligned. You can see here from this angle, from this corner till here. Now what I'm going to do is the one which I have created, the right triangle, I'm going to delete that part. So first let me just select this rectangle, hold the shift button and select the right triangle button, the shape, sorry, go to merge shape, and I'm going to subtract it. So we end up getting a shape something like this. Make it no transparent, you can see here, and I'm going to add one more right triangle here. Draw the right triangle, shape outline no outline, shape fill, make it black. Let me just zoom in again, and this one I'm going to rotate it. You can see here flip vertical, and just send this to back. You can see here, so it looks something like this effect. All right, and then let me just move this one, and I'm going to add one right or triangle here. All right, so let me just draw the triangle, shape outline no outline, and rotate it right 90 degrees. I'm going to make it a union if you want, or you can group it also. So once this is done, I'm going to select this one, move it here. All right, and then press Ctrl G to group it, Ctrl D to duplicate, and I'm going to select this, give some different color combination. You can see here, place it something like this here, and send this to back. So this is my second. Press Ctrl D, this is my third. All right, and then for this also I'm going to give some different color combination and send this to back. So these are the 3 rectangle options, or the triangle options rather. So something like this, you can see here. Again, if you want, you can just make one more. If you want to reduce the size, press Ctrl A, Ctrl G to group it, hold the shift key, and you can reduce the size something like this. Okay, but I want bigger size for this. Right, now let me just ungroup this, and then it's time to add some option numbers. Go to Insert, Text Box, and I'm going to say 0, 1, and then center align, make it bold, choose some good font. Maybe I'm going to choose Arial black. Increase the size, make it white font, and put it here. So this is option number 1. Press Ctrl D, this will be option number 2, and this is the option number 3. So let me just make this as 3. This is 2, And if you're using the latest version of PowerPoint, you can go to insert icons and you can select any icon as per your requirement. So let me just randomly select some icons. So you can see here I'm just randomly selecting few icons, 3 icons. You can see here this will insert the icons, and I'm going to make the height and width as 0.5, and then I'm just going to put it one here, and one here. And the colors also, you can just change it as per the color which we have selected for the arrow, okay? Or you can use maybe the eyedropper also. And then go to insert text box. You can add title here. All right, right aligned, make it bold if you want, and I'm going to put it here. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, and I'm going to remove the duplicate, the bold, and then give some light gray color and add your detailed text here. Maybe further I will reduce the size, and I'm going to place it here. All right, and this 2 also I'm going to select, press Ctrl D to duplicate, and then put it here properly. And if you want to add some shadow effect at the bottom, go to insert shapes, select the oval shape, draw the oval shape, something like this. Shape outline, no outline, shape fill, make it black, increase the transparency level, go to the effects, soft adjust, increase the size. You can see here something like this. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, bring it here, press Ctrl D, bring it here, and select all the more lighter. You can increase the transparency effect. All right.